Welcome back to Green Pro. In this video I'm going to show you how to complete the sound power level calculation for your air source heat pump. So you just need to go into your project and go into the heat pump section, and you can see sound power level in here. Your sound power level you should be able to find on your manufacturer's datasheet for the heat pump. If you can't find this, then contact your manufacturer and they should be able to give this to you. You then have to select your sound pressure level. So you've got three options in here. So you've got Q2, 4 or 8, and these relate to the number of reflective surfaces. There are some diagrams to help with this, so if you just click the icon here, you can see here you've got Q2, which is just one reflective surface, which is the floor. Q4, maybe against the back of the house, for example, with 2 reflective surfaces. And then Q8, which is in a corner. So you can see you've got 3 reflective surfaces there. Once you've selected that, you then need to look at the distance from the heat pump to the assessment position. So if you're unsure what the assessment position is, again, you've got a help icon here. And this explains that the assessment position is 1 metre external to the centre point of any door or window to a habitable room of a neighbouring property. So basically, if it's not a bathroom, a shower room, a WC or a kitchen, then it does count as a habitable room. So once you've got that measurement, it'll then combine your Q value with the distance from the heat pump. So say you had Q4 at a distance of 5 metres, and it will apply minus 19 to your calculation. So you can see here, Q4, distance of 5 metres, it's automatically put that value in there. You then need to look at any barriers between the heat pump and the assessment position. So again, there is a little icon on here to help you with this. So you've basically got 3 categories in here. So you've got a solid barrier that completely obscures the assessor's vision of the assessment position. So if they're looking from the top edge of the air source heat pump at that assessment position, so 1 metre from the centre point of that door or window of the habitable room, if they can't see it at all, then it'll apply minus 10 decibels to the calculation. If there is a solid barrier, and again looking from the top of the heat pump, they can't see that assessment position, but then if they move a maximum distance of 25 centimetres in any direction, they can then see that assessment position, then it would apply minus 5 decibels to the calculation. And the last one is basically if when the installer is looking from the top or side edges of the heat pump, they can see that assessment position, there's nothing blocking their view, then that wouldn't make any difference to the calculation. So you can see here you've just got your 3 options, so just select the correct one and then it will calculate the result for you. So the background noise level is always automatically set at 40. And it's this final result down here that you're looking for. So if this is over 42, then it will come out as a fail. But if I, for example, put in a barrier here, you can see that goes below 42 and then it would pass. So then you can just save your calculation. It'll put it all into the form for you. You will see that there is a template for this on your project on EasyMCS as well. So if you do want to sort of print a copy and take it out with you, then you can get that from there. And you'll see you've got your pass or fail result at the end here. If you were to fail, it may be that you need to check that it is definitely a habitable room that you're using as an assessment position first. You could consider altering the position of the heat pump maybe, or maybe putting up a solid barrier between the heat pump and that assessment position. You could also look at heat pumps that have got a lower sound level as well, just as some possible alternatives. As always, if you do have any issues with this, then please just get in touch with your consultant. Thank you for